when we're excited, our voices are activated, we go high. With
Yep.
women, it can go into a hysterical high. Oh my God, what happened? And we can go into these into these intense patterns. They're usually intense and shrill, not because our voices are free, but because we also don't dare to really express freely and loudly because we've been hushed from an early time. You're meant to be seen, not heard. You're meant to be palatable. You're meant to be pleasing. You're meant to be a little bit down and stay in your number two position. So women's voices are repressed from a very young age. Boys' voices, men's voices too, but your voice changes, so the whole game changes over time. As men's voices drop, they get this authoritative, kind of calming, low resonance. They don't have to worry about this stuff in the same way. Yeah? Only in puberty, then they really get it. In puberty, you really get it. So with woman's voice that isn't trained, when it goes up, it gets shrill, it gets shrieky, it gets very uncomfortable. However, it can get loud, it can be effective in mothering, like, but right? Ugh. So we don't want that from an authoritative figure to learn. Hence, I completely understand the low voice, the soothing, the I've got this under control. That's what we're in for. Maybe because men have low voices. I don't know that I want to agree on that one. I think a woman's lower range is hugely powerful, not because men have low voices, but because a woman in her full embodied gravitas is also just beautiful and powerful and very earthy.